Hey YouTube, it's Krystal. Welcome to my channel, Bimmy Beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this holiday glam using my favorite magnetic eyelashes and eyeshadows. If you want to learn more, stay tuned. Okay, so to create my holiday look, I'm going to be using the Bimmy Beauty Magnetic Eyelashes. This product is sold exclusively on Amazon.com. Here is our packaging. No adhesive needed, long-lasting, easy to apply, and waterproof. This kit comes with 5 different sets of magnetic eyelashes. Each set has a different name. It comes with a magnetic eyeliner and a lash applicator. For the look I'm creating today, I'm going to be going in with the Venus set. It's one of our more natural eyelashes, so let's start. To create the makeup look, I've already put on my base, my foundation, which is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in color 410, and I've already put on my concealer, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in color 400. I've also put on a little bit of powder, Fenty Beauty in Honey, again, the Pro Filter. And apart from that, I also kind of drew in my eyebrows. So we're gonna start with the eyes, and I'm gonna be using the MAC palette. This is the Burgundy ×9. Specifically, I'm gonna be using the color down here. This is called Star Violet. So let's start. I've already put on my eye primer. I use the eye primer by NARS right here. There we go. It's called the Pro Prime Smudge Proof. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And I always use an eye primer just to make sure that my eyeshadow goes on nice and smooth. So now I'm just going to start with the Star Violet. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a lighter color on the brow bone. For the lighter color, I kind of always go for poppy seed, which is right here. And I use a thinner, brush for that, just so that it's more accurate and precise. And now for my crease, I'm going to use the color in the middle, which is called Embark right here. I'm not going to do too much on the crease because honestly, you really don't need it. But when you do add color to your crease, it gives you really good definition. So now it's time to blend it in. I always use a bigger, fluffier brush to blend in. I start from the shimmery side and go out. All right, only thing is I noticed that there's not enough color at the bottom. All right, I'm happy with that. I like to clean up the edges of my eyes just with a Q-tip. Because sometimes I kind of go over that part and on the inner corners. Now it's the time for the magnetic eyelashes. This is always my favorite part. Oh my God. So like I said, from the kit, we're going to be using the set called Venus. So first thing I do when I'm applying my magnetic eyelashes is I use a little bit of mascara on my natural eye. I'm just trying to pull up my liner. Okay, I use a little bit of mascara. I use the Clinique in #1 black Clinique High Impact mascara. And I always put on some mascara before I put on my falsies so that my falsies can stick to my real lashes and they like gel well together. Okay, almost done. All right. Now what I'm going to do is use the magnetic eyeliner. So the magnetic eyeliner in our kit has basically replaced what you would use before in terms of lash glue. Instead of using lash glue, which is messy, sticky, clumpy, and very hard to adhere to your face, we use a magnetic eyeliner. The magnetic eyeliner is just like regular eyeliner, except when it dries, it gets a little bit sticky and it acts as an adhesive to stick the magnetic eyelash to your eyeline. Key thing with the magnetic eyeliner is always give it a shake. Shake it for anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds to mix the ingredients up to make sure that your product does not come out clumpy or sticky or gooey. And when applying the magnetic eyeliner, the key is to go from end to end and make sure you cover all the bases. I go over a couple times. That was my first coat. I like to do 2 coats. You don't necessarily have to do it. The reason I do 2 coats is because I want to ensure that from corner to corner, I have enough product on my eyeline to ensure that my eyelash sticks the entire day. These eyelashes can last up to can last up to 10 hours in a day, but that's only with proper application. Now I'm going to use my lash applicator that also comes in the kit. This is very handy because it helps to easily apply the eyelashes to your eyes without struggling. And when putting on your magnetic eyelashes, always ensure that you're putting the correct eyelash on the correct side. The way to ensure that you're doing that is that make sure that the eyelash, the part that has the shorter hair, goes closer to your nose and the longer hair goes closer to your ears. So I'm just going to take the applicator. I'm going to snap, hold my eyelash, and I'm going to apply it. And the thing with when you apply it, make sure you don't put it too close to your nose. It's better to put it 3/4 of the way on your eyeline. Okay, that's on. And it's not going anywhere. I always take the eyelash applicator, squeeze it down like that, and then go again and make sure that I pin down the corners to make sure that the eyelash stays in place. And that bad boy is on and ready to go. Final step, I use my eyelash curler. This is the old school one, and I just curl my lash just to make sure that if it was sitting in the kit for a long time, just to make sure that it doesn't stick out like this, but that it's curled all the way up like that. Just going in with the eyeliner again, and I'm going to draw a thin line just to connect the end of the eyeline to the eyelash. Now we're going to do the other side. So again, take your magnetic eyeliner, shake it for 5 to 10 seconds. The reason we give you 2 magnetic eyeliners in the kit is because, like, with 5 lashes, each lasting up to 10 times, you do need more than 1 tube. I'm going to go in again for my second line. I always clean off. Okay, so that was my second coat of the magnetic eyeliner. I take my eyelash, my lash applicator, and I know the orientation is correct on this one because I've already checked it on the other one, right? And again, the set that I'm using is called Venus. I want you guys to see it. I'm going to do it in the camera. I want you guys to see how easy this is. So these eyelashes are sold on Amazon.com. I'm going to leave the listing, the link to the Amazon listing down below in the description box so that you can order yours and give them a try. Leave a comment down below if you've ever tried magnetic eyelashes or if you want to try magnetic eyelashes. And don't forget to like this video. I'm going to go in with my eyelash curler now. And I've just curled it. And boom. So this is something that some people do. I don't do it. You can go in with your favorite mascara and put a little bit of mascara on your falsies. The reason I don't do that is because then your eyelashes get dirty and you have to clean them after, and I already have to clean them after every use, so then I have to clean the actual lash and it's just too much. Let's do a little bit of contour and the look is basically done. So I'm using the LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. This is the highlight at the top, the contour at the bottom. I'm using my Real Technique, my Expert Concealer Brush by Real Technique. It's a concealer brush. I do use it for concealer, but I double it up as a contour brush as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter down my nose. A little bit of highlighter here. I like to use highlighter powder. I know there's some cream-based ones. I have to do more experimenting with them before I try it. Now we're going to contour down your nose. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite contour palette is so I can try something new. All right, so now we are going to contour. Contour. And then I'm going, after you contour, you want to make sure that it's blended in nicely. You want to be walking around with lines on your face. Not a good look. I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm not wearing blush because I have like a jeweled tone on my eyes, so I don't want to be all rosy. The bronzer that I use is a loose powder by Bonnabelle. It comes like this. I'd show you the cap right here. I've used it for like 100 years. It's called Glimmer. It's called Bonnabelle. That's the company. It's called Glimmer Bronze. You cannot see it on the lid because it's all worn off. but I've been using this forever and it is my go-to. It just gives me all that J-Lo glow, the Beyonce glow, your favorite celebrity glow. It just makes you shine, baby. All right. Now for the lips, we're going soft, supple, and feminine. I just want to do a gloss. I was thinking of doing a red lip, but then I feel like the red lip would just throw the look off, and no, we're gonna do a gloss. But we could pair it up with a nice kind of rosy. I have a nice rosy liner. There we go. This is the Clinique Quick Liner for lips. And the color is number 3 Chocolate Chip. Looks like that. I'll try to do a red lip in my next Christmas glam, because like you can't have a Christmas glam without a red lip sometimes, you know? Let's go in a little bit more. Oh, the lip liner that I'm using, the lip gloss, sorry, that I'm using. The color is number 8 and it's called Tender Heart, and it's called the Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss in number 8 Tender Heart. So both Clinique products on my lip. All right. And the look is done. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this Christmas glam. Okay, this is the whole look all together with the magnetic eyelashes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more about our Bimmy Beauty products, and take care.